guys, welcome back to SABBIE. And if you are new, I'm so happy you could join us. Today's tutorial is a unique guest book. The first thing you would need is cardstock, 250 GSM, and we will be using this to cut out our hearts. We will be cutting them out in 3 different sizes. Next is our double-sided tape, and I will be using this to secure my black cardstock to the frame backing board. Next up is our glue stick, and I will be using this to stick down the hearts and the tree to the frame backing board cardstock. Next I have my scissors, and I will be using it quite a bit in this project. I also have my pencil that I will be using to sketch out the base of my tree and my branches, and also draw the hearts. I then have my compass, and I will be using it to draw a circle on the top end of my tree. You can also use something that's round, that will work perfectly. Next we have our mirror board, 300 GSM, and that's in the color gold, and I will be using this as my contrasting color. I will be cutting hearts out of this as well. Next I have my 160 GSM black cardstock, and I will be using my 2-way tape to adhere it to the frame backing board. You don't have to use the colors that I am using in this tutorial. You can use whatever colors you prefer. That is followed by my craft paper, 160 GSM, and I will be using this for the trunk of my tree and my branches. Please note that I will only be using half of this board. Lastly, I will be using a frame that I am repurposing. once I was done with my tree, the bottom end was looking quite bare, so I ruled 2 lines and added the bride and groom's name and the date. I used alphabet and number cardstock that I got a while back for a different project. I just applied some glue stick to the back and it worked perfectly. I do remember seeing them come in foam form as well. You can also use stickers if you prefer, or you can write it free-handed. You can use a stencil or you can use your cutting machine. And guys, that's how I made my unique guest book. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you don't miss out on any future posts.